In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine filters plus forwarding automation. We're going to set up a simple Gmail workflow that automatically forwards certain messages and organizes them with a label, so your inbox stays tidy while the right people get the right emails without you lifting a finger. Start by opening Gmail in a desktop browser and signing into the account where you want the automation to live. This works best on desktop because all the filter options are clearly visible. At the top, look for the small funnel icon at the right end of the search bar. That's the search filter icon, also called Show Search Options. Click it to open the filter panel. This is where you'll define which messages should trigger your automation. Enter your condition. A common example is filtering messages from a specific client. So you'd type their email address into the From field. You can also narrow things down by subject keywords, words in the body, or messages sent to a particular address on your domain. Keep it specific enough to avoid catching unrelated emails, but not so narrow that you miss what you need. When your condition looks right, click Create Filter at the bottom of that panel. Gmail will now ask what actions you want to take on messages that match. Check Forward It too. Forwarding must be set up ahead of time, so if you don't see an address to choose from, first add and verify a forwarding address in Gmail settings under Forwarding and POPs IMAP. Once that's done, you will be able to pick the correct destination from the drop-down here. Next, let's organize those emails with a clear label structure. For example, you might use Work, then a nested label called Clients, then a sub-label called Follow-ups. This keeps related messages grouped in a predictable spot. In the filter options, check Apply the label and choose the label you want. If you need a new one, you can create it right from this menu and nest it under an existing label to mirror that Work, Clients, Follow-up structure. Finally, click Create Filter to save everything. From now on, any email that matches your condition will be forwarded to the address you selected and neatly filed under the label you chose, so you'll always know where to find it, and the right teammate will see it immediately. That's it. Fast, reliable, and easy to maintain. If you ever need to tweak it, head to Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses to edit or remove the filter. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.